Okay, so first I have my outfit that I'm going to wear there. So I have this gray cowl neck sweater from Lucky Brand, and then I'm going to pair it with some Lulu leggings to be comfy, and then these brown Guess boots. I really like these boots. So yeah, this is just my outfit that I'm going to wear to the pre-party before I get ready. Okay, then next I have my toiletries. So I have this number 7 face moisturizer for when I'm going to bed. I have this Verb Ghost hairspray. I have this Clean White Woods perfume. This stuff smells so good. And I have a brush. I have the Neutrogena Naturals face wash for later. And I also have a curling iron. Then going into this bag I got from Ipsy, I will be putting just some jewelry in case I decide to wear some. Then in here I have this pink makeup bag that is so old, and it's just full of all kinds of different makeup. So because I don't know what I'm going to be doing yet, so I just have all this makeup as well as some that other people can use. And then in here, I got this at Shoppers. It's a train case, and I just hold like all my lip and brushes. The brushes fit perfectly in here, so those are my 2 go-to. Then over here, I have some loungewear I can wear to bed or when we are getting ready. So I have these Roots sweatpants and this Lazenza t-shirt. And then last but not least, I have this beautiful dress. The theme of the party is glitz and glam, so this dress is like perfect. It's just sequins mini dress. And then I have my shoes that I'll be wearing. These are just, these need to be wiped down, but these are just high heel booties with a lace in the side. And these are from Just Fab. So I got these travel bags off Amazon. I love putting my clothes in here because I feel like it just keeps everything together. I know exactly where it is instead of like pulling everything out of your bag. So in here I have my pajamas and my sequins dress. So I have this bag that has ties at the top and it says shoes on it. I'm just going to be throwing these shoes in here because I have worn them out before and they are dirty. So just so that they don't get anything else dirty, I'm just going to be putting them in this bag. So this one says laundry, and I just have my bra and underwear in there just to keep it separate and in a different bag. So here's a tip. This bag is really good. It's really big, and you can actually get it for free when you go to check out online at Sephora. They give you the option of getting this bag, and I didn't know that, so I just tried it one day. I just saw it there, and I ended up I was like, why would you not do this every time you order? Like, it's such a good sturdy bag, and I think it's waterproof. So I just put all my toiletries in there, and then my curling iron I will just put in the bag. So the bag that I'm using is this pink bag, which, funny story, my dad, I asked him, he took this bag by accident once, he thought it was my sister's, and I asked him if he had my pink bag, and he thought I meant the color pink, so he was like, no, but it's because it was burgundy, but it's the brand pink. But this bag was pretty pricey, and if for a gym bag it would probably be fine. I like to use it if I'm going away for one night, but if you're going away for more than one night, you can't fit very much in this. It barely fits anything. But in here I have all my stuff, and I find like just organizing it by these cases saves a lot of room also. So yeah, this is what I am bringing for my New Year's Eve night away.